Um, at this point in my life, I can say that I've been in love at least twice. At no point has it gotten easier. It gets more complicated the older you get, the more aware that you are of your feelings and your emotions. And at the same time, as a man and as an experienced person with love and feelings and that whole sort of thing, it there's a I don't know if it's a part of growing up. I guess I'm still figuring that out as a young adult. But at the same time that it doesn't get easier, it becomes less emotionally just unstable when you just sort of let it sink in that this person who you've invested so much time and is not invested in you. And it's not good to stay in those situations with people who are not emotionally invested in you, because men have this thing about liking attention, and that combined with liking and wanting, desiring intimacy, can be very clouding for someone who's emotionally invested in someone as opposed to someone who's just physically want sex and is invested in that emotion, which is completely different. Has being in love and the emotional toll that it takes on you when it doesn't work out, has it made me more guarded? I wouldn't say so. It's just made me more aware. Um, I'm still very sensitive, but it's a different type of sensitivity where I'm just learning how to cope and deal with it and move on. I still think about most of the guys that I've experienced who I've wanted to be with or wanted to experience in some way, but that's just natural. You just kind of have to let bygones be bygones and understand that he is not the only man out there. And I just mean that for everybody. Anyone who's ever been in love with a man or a woman, they're not the only one when it doesn't work out. Everyone is replaceable to some form of degree. And you just have to let yourself live and understand what your goals are. A lot of times, people are so invested in each other emotionally, wanting them to be your girlfriend or your boyfriend, and they don't even know what they want to do with their lives. So once you start to become stable, then it's time to start considering someone else and wanting to incorporate someone else in your life. So I'm at that point. I know what I want to do with my life. It's just there's this part of me that I know feels so empty, and I'm just ready to invest in someone else. I'm not, every part of my life is not stable. Let's just be real. Let's be honest. But that doesn't mean that I'm not ready to invest my time, my pursuit, my intimacy, my affection, my goofiness into someone else. So honestly, Crusaders, I'm really looking forward to that. So I'm just going to be positive for now.